Alright, so I'm actually recording this a second time because I had Stardew Valley app on my phone playing. It had a rain sound effect. You couldn't hear it. Anyway, I'm watching every startup and shutdown sound effect from Windows, every goddamn version of Windows under the sun. And there's like 10 fucking thousand of them. And it's like a 10-minute YouTube video. I've seen it a couple years back. I'm just rewatching it again because I got inspired. Because I'm doing this cool project here. I'm installing 98 to play old school games. I'm actually pretty interested in it. I like to see where that goes. And so, yeah, I just want to record what's going on. And there's just so many versions of Windows. You'd be shocked. Chinese developer, Beta 1.5, Windows 1.1, Windows 3.1, Windows NT Workstation version 4, developer version, beta experimental version 1.1.2. Oh my, it doesn't fucking end. It just keeps going. There's so many fucking versions. It's kind of fascinating. Like, I had no idea there's so many versions of Windows. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but, you know. There's actually a really cool one. Let me boot up this one here, see if I can get to play. This is the current virtual box I got going here. Start that. Listen. How extreme is that? Shit. Yeah, so there's a lot of that. This is the Windows 98 one I'm working on now. Microsoft Memphis. What the fuck? Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Alright. There's Microsoft Chicago. There's like 20 Microsoft Chicago's too. I have no idea. So we're letting this boot up. And there's an awesome like welcome 30-second welcome sound I want to play. This actually might take a while. I'm just going to skip right to it. I already have it saved here. Let's go to, bear with me here. This is worth it. It's science, goddammit. Let's go back one. And there it is. Right there, right there. Yeah. And I also watched why Hanna-Barbera failed. Dude, they tried their best. Wait, what we got here? Rebuilding. Oh, LGR. This guy's awesome. This guy is awesome right here. I don't want to go into this, but yeah.
And welcome to an LGR restoration repair kind of thing. This is not a very pretty computer. It never has been. That's never been the point of it. This is just my go-to Windows 98 capture PC that I've had ever since I started.
Okay. All right, I'll stop it.
In fact,